𝐏𝐫𝐸 over here, and this right here is 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQA250 progressive spec. Agent unit, lowest depreciation on the market, and still under cycle and carriage warranty. Let's check it out. Wrapped in this beautiful pearl white color. This car is absolutely stunning under the light. Have a look at this. Comes with a very interesting set of sport trims. Very electric look for this car. Have a look at the side profile and from behind as well. Very unique to the Mercedes-Benz EQ series. The lights over here. So let's open the boot. Of course, the boot is fully electric. It is an electric car after all. And the boot space is quite spacious, I have to say. Now, let's close this. On the inside, we have full leather interior, beautifully staged. We have a rear passenger aircon, black color roof lining, and have a look. All this is leather. Very nice, very beautiful, feels very premium. As well, got some subtle ambient light as well. When we open door here, over here we have very beautiful Mercedes-Benz light. Okay, fully electric seats. Very nice, with memory settings. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice looking Mercedes-Benz cabin. First things first, we have 3-spoke full leather steering wheel, multifunctional, comes with pedal shifters. These pedal shifters are not to change gear. This is electric car, single gear only, so the pedal shifters are used to adjust the level of regenerative braking. Fully digital speedometer cluster, very nice touchscreen infotainment system, which can also be controlled from this pad over here. We have ambient light everywhere here on your aircon vents, on the door. By the way, both sides are fully electric with memory for your seats. The leather condition is simply fantastic, as good as brand new car. And of course, this thing comes with a reverse camera and 360 obstacle avoidance as well. Have another look. Alright guys, so this is an electric car, so obviously one very important thing is the range. Official range on this vehicle is up to 526 kilometers, which is very impressive still by today's standards. In terms of depreciation, super affordable at only 19,000 plus, lowest in the market. Alright, in terms of COE, we still have 7 years and 6 months left. This car is still under cycle and carriage warranty. For the whole car, it's still left about another 1.5 years. And for the battery, it's 8 years from the date of registration. So, you're looking for an electric car that is nice to drive, affordable, and is a Mercedes-Benz. This is the unit for you. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.